Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply the luminous transitions to your edits in CapCut Mobile. So here on the Explore section in CapCut, you'll easily find this luminous transition. So just click on that. And here CapCut will suggest you with some of the luminous transition that you can use on your edit. Starlight overlay, golden flare, there is also spotlight. And if you want to try it, you can just click on try it now and just select your videos. Okay, so I've already choose 3 video here, and just click on the transition box in here, and let's try to find the one that's suggested by CapCut. The first one is the golden flare. Let's try to find it. Okay, this one. So click on this, click on the transition, and let's see the result. Okay, I'm going to go back first. Let's see how the transition turned out. Okay, so this is the golden flare. Let's try the other transition suggested by CapCut. On the next videos, let's try to find the dreamy bubbles. Okay, here dreamy bubbles, click on that. So if you cannot find it, you can just, let's try to go to the light effect category, and here there are lots of luminous transitions that you can try. There are glow burst, old film, glare, and others that you think fits your edits the best. You can just choose. So I'm going to try. Okay, this is the dreamy bubbles. Click on the check icon. So this is the result. So the first one is the golden flare. Then the second one is the dreamy bubbles. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!